Thanks for visiting. Today we're going to take a look at Eclipse tools. This is their wire stripper tool. It's a fairly economical stripper. I think it runs maybe around 10 bucks. Okay, so what we have here, we have a cutter. There's your blade on this side. Now, depending on the different size of cable you use, there is an adjustment screw on the top where you can go ahead and screw it down and make it to where it'll cut just a little bit less, a little bit more, depending on the type of cable you're cutting. Now, on the back of it here, you have your, this is your cable cutter, and on the other end, you have your cable stripper. And of course, you can go ahead and put your finger right in here, spin it with the cable, and you can go ahead and strip it right on off. Easy. Order online.